Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the KRK product warranty. More specifically the KRK Rokit studio monitor warranty. Now, when we talk about the warranties for the KRK systems, they kind of are the same across most of the products that are similar. So all of the studio monitors will have, the same monitors, or excuse me, the same warranty. So keep that in mind as we're going through this. For those of you who are not aware, KRK Systems is a subsidiary of Gibson as of right now. Though they have been around for quite a while. They started producing monitors back in 2003. That's when the first KRK Generation 1 Rokits came out. And they were great because they really swept the market and pushed themselves on smaller at-home producers who couldn't afford to buy really expensive studio monitors. So it was great. It kind of created a whole new generation of home producers, home mixing engineers, as they were finally able to afford to have solid studio monitors in their home. Now, fast forward to 2020, we are at Generation 4, and what you're looking at right now are the KRK Systems 8 G4 Rokits with 8-inch woofers, 1-inch tweeters, and they're really awesome. As of now, I haven't had any issues with them at all. But it is important to understand your warranty information just in case things happen, because I've had my gear break down before, and being able to know who to call is important, so that you don't have to spend a ton of money on buying new things when things are fixable. So it is worth noting that KRK's monitors are made in the US, which is great, and the warranty actually only applies if you purchased from a US authorized dealer. KRK Systems monitors all have a warranty of 3 years from the original purchase date. So if you purchase them from an authorized dealer new and you're having issues with them, if you can send it back to them or give them a call within 3 years of that purchase date, then you should be good. I would say one thing that you should note: if you have recently purchased these from a third party, meaning maybe somebody on Craigslist, Reverb, essentially used or refurbished, I would definitely get in contact with that person if you haven't already and ask them about their warranty information, because there's no reason to buy used and not get the warranty if the person still has it. So that's very important. As for their other devices that they have, headphones, they have a couple different audio devices, room correction devices. I think those only have a 1-year warranty, so that's good to keep in mind too if you have any other KRK products. But yeah, these are really solid monitors, unless unless they have some sort of manufacturer defect, you should be good. But I would highly recommend just also going online and reading their KRK product warranty. You can find it on the Gibson website, as they are, like I said, a subsidiary of Gibson. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any warranty insights for the KRK products, or if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. All right, take it easy, guys.